2 nights. Also, another bandit, called T765, he appears on the top between your laptop and lights. Make sure you flash him, then he'd disappear. I hope you survived. Mostly, my friend 5 was stabbed by a bandit. You may refuel the truck after the truck has low fuel. A remote. Yes, a remote. See you tomorrow. Hello, the ambulance is done. I may heal my friend 5 along with 2. You may continue to block views of bandits. It's 3 a.m. You better do it. Oops. I make a loud noise to you to make bandits faster. Sorry about that. You better do it faster.
Yes. I did it. I'm going to relax now, because of that.
You'll need health kit and you may find them. I mean, health kit is on right here. I use a health kit.
Well, I'm following him now. 5. I hope you are good feeling. The vitamin K help you blood clot to preventing excessive bleeding.
What? How does it possible?
What naughty bandits? They did it.
And yeah, bandits are worse just to upgrade their own. We will go to the spaceship soon so we can finally survive.
I agree.
Me too. I assumed that there are millions of people go to space airports in the US, Canada, and Russia.